Are you tired of hunting through menus just to update your company name in Zoho Books? Fix it in 60 seconds with this exact path. I'll show you the exact 6 clicks to update your organization name, industry, location, and website. Let's start from the dashboard. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, from the menu that appears, choose Profile. You'll see the Organization Name field. Go ahead and type your company's name. Next, pick your industry from the drop-down. For example, you can click on Agriculture. Next, pick your industry from the drop-down. For example, you can click on Agriculture. Select the country where your business is based. For instance, click on Ukraine. Select the country where your business is based. For instance, click on Ukraine. Finally, hit Save to apply all your changes. And that's it. Your organization details are updated. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.